guys, welcome to my channel Ismail Bajarla. Please do subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon for all, and you will receive all notifications for my YouTube channel in every video update. Search here our course as create your first web application with Python and flask. And flask. Search this. Scroll down and here the course create your first web application with Python and Flash from Coursera Project Network, and here the logo of this course. Click on this course. It redirected this page. Enroll for free. Starts August 12th. And click on go to guided project. Click on Chrome browser. You have to use your Coursera mobile app or whatever it is. And I am here using the desktop site for a better understanding of YouTubers. Sorry, YouTube viewers. And start test quiz. Here it is free test quiz. And click on start. Here totally 8 questions. The first one is yes. And the second one is true. And the third one is the string hello world is returned and displayed on user browser. And the next one is sorry, this both answer is I don't have both answer. The next one is username db column db string and 255 and enable is false. And scroll down for the next as the last code you have to click it return render template and home.html, and just scroll down, click the checkbox and submit. The assignment. Then scroll up, we got 83.3